going to show you how to start your 2025 Buick Envista with a dead key fob. This will work for many other Buicks as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the key out. So you're going to push the button on the back. So you're going to have the front of the remote, you take the button on the back, you push it, and then you're going to pull the key out. And that's the first thing you're going to need to do. Then after that, you're going to open this up and you're going to pop this out. So this is going to be one of the hardest parts to do. So you're going to open the door handle, you're going to take your key, you're going to press it in the back, and you're going to pop this out. And then once you got it out, you just kind of pull it and get it out. It should come off. And then it comes off. And then basically this little clip, this isn't a good design. You got to get this little clip out and you're going to have to fix this. So a little clip bent out. And now that you have the cap off, so you can access the key point, you're going to insert the key and then you can unlock the car. Once you unlock the car and open the door, the alarm's going to start sounding. You're going to have slow beeps. The alarm's going to eventually sound, but you're going to hop in the car and I'm going to show you where to put the key fob and then you'll start the car. Okay, so after you get in the car, the alarms are going to be going off. I turned them off so I could shoot the video, obviously. So you're going to take the key fob now, and you're going to place the key fob down here. So you're going to place it right back there in the second little compartment. I wouldn't put it up there, but because the sensor is actually right under here. So put the key fob right there, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the start button. And the difference with this is that you're going to put your foot on the brake, and you're going to hold the start button this time. And then the car will start. It just takes a second, a little bit longer than normal. And that's how you start your 2025 Envista, Buick Envista, with a dead key fob. I hope that helps you out and gets you out of a jam. Take care. And so just to be clear, this is how the clip goes back on. It goes on the inside. Okay? And then when you're going to put the clip back on, it goes this way. You insert it, and then you push. That's the clip. Okay, so without the cover on it, I'm going to show you. When you put the key in, behind it, you're basically going to pry. You're going to basically pry it out. Okay, with the key. That'll help you. Because it's hard to push it out with your finger, but if you use the key, you'll be able to pop it out. Okay, so to put the cover back on, you're just going to take the cover, you're going to make sure the metal piece is back in there, the clip is back in there, and then you're going to just insert it. So you're going to do this end in first, you're going to place it in there, you're going to grab that, and you're going to push it in, and there it's clipped in. And you can hear it click when it went in. Okay? So hope that helps you out. That's how you start your car, your Buick, with a dead key fob.